Okay na to, no? Oh, are these actual ads? I think actual ads siya nung ano.
Saya talaga mag-short na.
Oh my gosh!
Where?
I am having technical difficulties.
Hindi mo i-full screen.
Like, pag pinipit yung full screen, nag-pinipit yung ad. Ito naman siguro yun, no? Itanong mo nga.
Guys, nasa inyo
Itanong
na
sa Viber. Ito ba yun? Kasi hindi ako sure.
Dito sa mga
Alam, ba't may mga aso? Yan. Ads.
Baka nga. Hindi ko alam kung ads o ito talaga yung commercial ngayon sa TV.
Hi guys, sorry
Wait.
na nagkakaproblema po sila.
KBS News?
Me and
Don't
Wilson will talk to you
don't
guys
care.
first. Kamusta naman ang araw mo?
Okay naman.
Or KBS 2.
Oh, yes sir.
Oh.
Your hands are hurting, right?
Yeah, because I did something.
Yeah, they did something. Yeah.
Kaya,
Anong ginawa mo?
kaya napagod sa tawang ko ngayon.
From the gym niyo, pre. Anong gym?
Nagbuhat ng ano.
Tama ba?
Tubig.
Ito yung pusang ano, yung pusang parang...
Links.
Oh, hindi.
Hala, kilala ko yan.
links.
Siya yung ano.
Yung nang ano. Di ba links yung walang...
Ano? Sphinx.
Hindi, iba pa yung Sphinx. Ito yung may tawag dito yung parang nangangagat.
Mga ganyan lagi.
Parang kurama yun.
Ano? Fox yun, boy.
May ganun ba?
Guys, it's DJ Chikatelli by the way!
Let's go!
Let's go!
And it looks good. It's looking good. Are all the VIP seats you have good? I mean, did you get your preferred ones? Why is there a...
so.
It's a bobcat, I think. It's a bobcat.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a something bobcat.
Search mo nga kung Bobcat kasi I think that's links.
Makikita naman yan.
That's links cat.
Bobcat.
That's a link cat.
Really? It's a bobcat.
Not Bobcat, bro.
Oh.
A Bobcat is
Lynx.
like
Are you sure it's a lynx?
so hairy.
Lynx cat? It's not a lynx too.
Sphinx.
Iba pa yung Sphinx.
Alam ko wild yun eh. Yung pusa na yun.
Why are we talking about cats? We should be talking about our immortal songs.
Iba yung Sphinx
Hindi,
ah.
pre. Yung Sphinx yung mga chicken. Chicken sa
Ayan.
sa palengke. It's a Madagascar something, di ba? Alam ko.
Ano nga yung pusa niya?
What up?
Madagascar.
So guys, alam niyo
meron
naman
daw ditong
ano yung
naka-SBI
day ngayon, di ba?
Wow!
Mami niya daw.
Congrats.
Congrats!
I can't find it. I am tired. I need to find the KBS thing before it starts.
Yeah.
Baka ito. Ano to? Donghin. KBS. Ito, diba? Tama diba?
Yeah.
KBS, diba?
Ba't
Ba't di ka sinasabi?
Hindi kayo nagtanong.
Ha?
Ay,
NBC yun, boy.
NBC ba? Oh my God.
Ba't wala nagsasalita? Hindi ka
no
nagtanong.
bro, ano may
Pagkakaalam ko KBS. KBS 2!
KBS 2.
Ang galing mo kay Burley.
Guys, we only have
Ito, KBS
13 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 6:05 eh.
No.
Ayun, ito na.
Yan.
No, so,
She said it will start at 6 p.m.
Yeah. Okay, we still have time.
Yeah.
Guys, go to the KBS2 channel. It's in the onair.kbs.co.kr.
Yeah.
If you can watch it from the Philippines, I'm not sure.
Saturday.
Okay, we are on the KBS2.
yeah.
I want to read comments, but my phone is there. Okay.
Si ano?
Ayan. Ooh.
Nanood siya.
Yeah, Marcus is Varabeze. Papayo. Very
Siya ang
Papayo.
pinaka-busy sa amin sa lahat ngayon. Sa ngayon.
Yeah.
Siya ngayon.
Ano nga niya, You betrayed us.
Isaac.
IZX.
Isaac.
Please support IZX.
Isaac.
Please support IZX
IZX.
from Horizon.
Yeah.
Please support our baby Marcus.
Isaac.
It's IZX with the exclamation point, diba?
Yeah.
Oh. IZX.
Isaac.
And hindi siya si Marcus doon, guys. Guys, he is not Marcus there. He is Max.
He is
Yo,
Max.
Max!
Hey, Sir Max.
So please support our baby Marcus as he goes to IZX and promotes as IZX. He will still be part of
IZX.
Horizon. I mean,
Isaac.
of course he will.
I think
he will be forever.
is,
Horizon.
I don't think we should.
Ano yun?
Parang siya yung
Baby?
sa
Magnet?
Oo,
M?
magnet siya.
Oh, siya
Oh,
yung
siya
siya
yung
Siya yung pinakabata sa
Oo, kasi yung iba, ano na yun, 20, kasi meron kasi age ko, and then may 2003, and then may 1997. So he's like super young there. Because he's super young here, but he's more
Super
young.
young.
Super duper. Yeah. I think a lot of anchors were confused about it. Wait, meron pa tayo. We have 10 to 15 more minutes before the performance starts. Can we say that it's a performance? Yeah, right?
See you on November 3 Horizon. See you too.
See you.
Yeah.
See you.
Excited na
See you
kami!
Guys, kwentuhan nyo kami ng ano nyo, ng mga experience nyo sa pagkuha ng tickets. Like,
May nangyari ba?
may nangyari ba para magawa natin ang paraan?
Yan.
Or okay naman, is it all smooth sailing? Let's, you know, please
Pero
tell
para pa
us.
namang ano dyan. Para kang mag number 2.
Ba't hindi nag-update yung comments mo, pre? Parang kanina pa to nandito.
Kaya Winston yan sa mine. My phone is there.
Ba't hindi nag-update?
Parang hindi nga nag-update. Naglolo ko. Kaya nag-out ako tapos nag-join ako.
Sorry for the notification.
Secured. Yay! Secured takes!
Yeah, sana ma-sold out, guys.
Yeah, okay lang yung mga late enrollee.
It's fine. Marami pa kayong araw.
Yes.
Okay lang yan guys. Ako nga pag nag-enroll late ako eh.
30, ilang, 36?
Mag-suggest kayo pwede gawin pang science project. So, I think for science project, you can do volcano.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ano yung happy
Nice
game?
game.
Clay? Ganun sa amin.
Happy
Sa'yo
game.
gawa kayo.
Medyo nugutom.
Tapos may pinapatak na something.
Kahit tayo, ito.
Ano kayo?
Yung chicken.
Wow! Dami pera ni
Guys, see you there!
Yung cashier sa
We
SM
have-
ba ko or ang tagal mo pindot ng number?
Hala!
Guys, good things take time.
Yeah.
Hey.
We have 36 days
Yeah, tama, 36.
to go.
Flight ticket secured na din. Oh, some people are flying?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so
From
much.
their
Me
town.
too.
Yeah, us too were flying. So please pray for a safe flight.
Have a
Kasi
safe flight.
hindi ba natin
Nakwento mo pala yung ano, turbulence.
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 Tagalog kasi!
Turbulence. Mas English pa nga yung turbulence eh. Parang mas turbulence.
Oh.
Hindi, pag ano ka ba, turbulence.
Pag turbulence kasi yung mga Bisaya, mas mahilig sila sa E tsaka I.
Yeah.
So turbulence.
Yeah, it was so crazy. Kasi nung pumunta kami pa Korea, puro mga old people yung kasama namin. Mga may edad na. Kaya, nagpapanik talaga sila, di ba? Pero alam nyo kung hindi nagpanik?
Grabe talaga yun.
May hindi nagpanik. Curator. Ayun.
Siya!
Oo, sabi niya kasi normal daw yun.
Lungkot.
Normal pa yun basta
Sabi-
walang nalalaglag na gamit. Grabe! Ang galing
Hanggang
niya.
hindi nag-aapoy yung
Engine.
yung engine. Palaglag.
Like, grabe as in sa likod tayo. Parang gumanon talaga.
Yeah.
Natutulog ako, biglang bumagod.
Biglang buti na lang tayo nun.
Naka-seatbelt
tayo.
Pero buti na lang ako ay naka-noise cancelling mode. Sponsored by JBL.
Thank you, JBL!
Where's my JBL?
Yeah, kasi bago tayo
Binigyan ng
lumipad,
JBL.
binigyan tayo ng JBL ng mga headphone, speaker.
Complete set.
JBL lang talaga sa kalam kasi ano.
Sa kalam.
Yeah.
Pero grabe, hindi ko talaga alam yung turbulence. Kaya, feeling ko talaga
Akala ko
sabi
yun na yun.
Feeling ko, end ko na to, end of the world na to.
Di ba nagsabi ka, nag-pray ka, di ba?
Oo, nag-pray talaga ako nun.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ko talaga alam yung turbulence na yan. So, pagbaba natin, sinerch ko siya. Tapos
Na-
may 3 types pala siya ng turbulence.
What are the
hindi ko
3
nasasabi.
types? Please explain to our classmates.
Kalimutan ko na eh. Pero may... Basta yung 3.
Wait, ano yung pinagkaiba-iba? Parang kung gano'n ka-intense, no?
O, yung iba, naka-link
Dahil
sa taas.
dahil
Galing
yun sa clouds, 'di ba? Dahil ba yun sa
Oo.
clouds?
Dahil sa, tawag dun, di ba nagkaka-turbulence daw dahil sa
Nimbus Stratus.
different flow ng ng
Kapoy!
air. Ayun, tapos, di ba bawal daw at
Di kapoy daw, kapoy.
yung hot,
Ay,
tsaka
Marcos, ang
cold
taas mo.
air.
Ay.
Ayun, kapag nagkukulag yung hot tsaka cold air daw, doon nagkaka-turbulence. Nagdi-different flow yung air. That's why.
Because I saw sa movie din, may nangyari, kung possible yun, may pumasok na ibon dun sa ano, sa engine.
Wala
Yun yung pinakamalala.
Pero patay naman yun.
Yun yung pinakamalala.
Pero may
Kapag
chance
kasi
na-
bird strike yun eh. Yung ganun.
So anong nangyari nun? Nag-uwi nga yung
Yun, nagkapoy
You're
yung
on
engine.
beat.
Kasi yung blood nun, maapektuhan
kakalat
yung
sa
engine.
everywhere.
Lagot. Kaya mag-ingat kayo sa mga
Kaya mag-iingat.
Dapat kayo. Dapat.
Pray! Dapat lagi mag-pray.
Is there any dress code for the concert? Yes, it's a school uniform.
Because you're our
Nasabi ko
classmates.
dun ah. Yeah, but if you don't have school uniform, you can
Buy.
doctor uniform, teacher. Ano pa bang uniform?
Basta uniform guys!
Kahit ano uniform.
Pwede ka-
Uniform.
Pwede yung mga
Police
teacher,
uniform.
mga teacher,
Yeah.
pwede pumunta dun.
Yeah.
Police uniform.
Kahit anong uniform ka.
Yeah.
Tapos, basta ano.
And it's
Masaya.
November 3 lang days away ba yun? Hey Google, how many days away is November 3?
Guys, sa mga nagtatanong kay Marcos, sinabi na po namin, wala po siya dito. Kanina pa kayo eh.
Huwag na kayo. Nagagalit na siya.
Nagagalit na siya ito eh.
May
Hindi pa kasi
schedule.
siya nakakain.
Kaya naman kasi late kayo nag-join. Hindi dapat nag-join.
Oh, pag sa mga class nga naman kasi, nangyari na yun sa inyo sa class na
Oo, yung teacher nagpe-present na ng something, tapos
Ako na-try ko na yun.
yung pagpasok mo, tapos ang awkward kasi titignan ka nila lahat.
Oo.
Yun yung ano dun. Tapos
Oo,
mapapangiti ka na, ay sir, sorry po, late po.
Ako, early kasi ako lagi pumasok. Wow.
Hindi, na-try ko din yan. Na-late ako tapos, di ba may mga window doon sa gilid ng... sa labas ng
Classroom?
Ng classroom.
Oo.
Ano lang ako din? Ang tawag dito?
Nakasilip.
Nakasilip lang ako kasi yun yung pinalting.
Ayun yung
Ay!
pag doon ka lang pwede manood ng klase kapag late ka.
Oo.
Mag-standing ovation ka, pre.
So after ng subject niya, doon na lang ako papasok.
Ala.
Tapos yun, medyo na-off na ako doon. Pumunta na lang ako ng canteen, kumain.
Yan din ginagawa ko minsan eh.
Ako nagkakating ako eh, nung elementary.
Ito talaga honest, nung
Cutting talaga ako lagi.
first day of school ko, talagang nagkating ako.
Pag mga first day.
Oo.
Kasi yun yung perfect time mag-cutting kasi wala pang tinuturo.
Kasi ano siya talaga, parang ano lang,
Orientation.
Papakilala yung bagong estudyante.
Introduce yourself.
Kunwari-
Ako dun, matagal na ako dun sa school na yun. Kaya, ayun.
Kunwari sa first day of class, demure.
Kunwari mysterious.
Mysterious.
Pero pagka kalagitnaan ng ng semester,
Kasali ka na sa lista ng
noisy.
Feeling heartthrob ka pa sa una-una eh.
Biglang sorry naman Kyler late kasi ako nakapasok ng live. Huwag ka na
Ay,
mag-ayos.
sorry.
Sige, lumabas
Huwag ka
ka
nang
muna.
magpaliwanag.
Tumingin ka muna sa ano. Sa window.
Grabe naman na.
Joke.
Yeah, he's very busy with ICX right now.
Yeah, I see.
ICX. I haven't watched the whole episode yet.
Ako napanood ko na.
The whole thing. Ano nangyari pa bang sa kanya? Okay naman siya doon.
Okay naman siya. Doing very well naman.
Yeah, he does well. We're
Ang
not
galing
really
niya talaga
worried about it.
mag-Korean.
Kaya
Ang galing naman mag-Korean.
He is the best in Korean out of all
Yeah.
of us. We can't compete with Uri Magne.
Kahit sa mga pronunciation.
Yeah. He's like, who are you even?
Tapos may kanta ba yun na, di ba kumakanta tayo ng Korean for
May isa daw di pinayagan sa concert.
kasama natin si
Si
sino kumanta tayo ng Leaves? Saan yun ulit?
saan YouTube yun?
Oo.
Sa world.
Oo, yun. Tapos kumanta tayo ng Korean.
Yeah.
Tapos nagpapaturo kay Mark.
Yun Sobe.
Sabi ko,
Yeah,
paano
yun,
kanta
Sobe.
yun daw? In Korean, tapos sabi niya. Tapos, anong lyrics nun?
Ano, Nenoni.
Ayun, Nenoni. Tapos sabi ko, kanta mo, Nenoni. Tapos sabi ko, Agets, tas kinanta ko pa rin, Ninuni Bitchin.
Yun yung part na nagbe-blending tayo. So pag nagbe-blending kami, yung kanya may accent na Ninuni Bitchin.
Well, di matanggal yung pagka-waray.
Waray.
Parang medyo mainit dito, no?
Actually, we didn't turn on the
Hindi
aircon.
kasi naka-open yung aircon, pre. Teka, open natin.
Pati ako. Kahit sobrang bilis naman. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. No.
Ba't tangkad mo naman? Nakakainis.
We'll be together. Oh, that may.
Paano yan si Basil?
Ha?
Is my zipper open?
Wala.
Kaya Magic.
Huwag kang magpaliwanag.
Uy, malapit na magsimula! Malapit na! Ay, ito ba
Sarado
yung
yung-
Are we going to hear Racer Kos 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 again?
I wanna perform Costos.
Kos Kos Kos!
Ayan si Jiro daw.
Jeremy
version.
Kos Kos Kos!
Hi.
Ano yung next na yung chorus?
Link? Okay, Link. Can you go back to the internet? So guys, ito yung link. Listen to the link. It is onair.kbs.co.kr. I repeat, it's onair.kbs.co.kr. Did you guys get it? And then you go to KBS 2. Dalawa.
Dos.
Dos.
Alas dos.
Dua. E.
Dua.
Yeah. And then you watch it. And then 6 na.
Merong dito, naglagay ng link.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much for sending the link.
Is it working though?
Naglagay ng link. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, it's currently on a commercial right now.
Grabe nang hihilap pa rin kamay ko. Sa push-up ko kagahapon.
6:05 yung simula pa nung show eh.
Okay.
Ito.
Ano kaya feeling ano? Naging number 1 ka sa ticket ano? Yung number 1 ka talaga.
Number 1?
Ikaw, sa ticket ceiling.
I haven't bought
Curious lang ako.
concert tickets.
Ako din.
I was supposed to originally go to Ayus on Benim's concert before, but the EDSA traffic was so bad I didn't get any. Because I only had money for like Gen Ad. Parang naubos na yung Gen Ad. Gusto ko lang marinig si Ayus on Benim.
Ako
Ano
din.
yung kanta niya?
Yung, ano, love.
Love with Soul? Ah, Love with Soul.
Nag-humming na lang.
Wake up! I miss you! Wake up!
Pero gusto ko talaga mapanood ng concert kasi
Yeah.
yun yung dream ko yun na mapanood ako ng concert.
Napanood ako.
Ayun,
Meron na kapanood na
Napanood
sila
siya.
The
Ay,
Boys.
The Boys, Isang Chores. Kasi lagi tayong nagpa-perform kaya hindi natin makikita yung sarili natin kung gaano kasaya sa ibang tao.
Ano kaya ang feeling pumunta sa Horizon concert?
Ano kaya?
Share
Comment.
What if hindi ako
Comment daw magsayaw doon.
Oo, what if yung lahat tayo manood
Manood na lang
na? So sino mag-perform?
Yung encores. Iba-iba ka sa sayaw.
What do you guys wanna see sa concert ba?
Shout out Horizon. Shout out Horizon. Shout out Horizon.
Mali ka pre sa sigaw. Shout.
Sige, gawin mo. Ikaw nagsabi, gawin mo.
Okay lang yung late enrollees.
Okay lang guys, kasi kahit late kayo, makakapasok pa rin naman kayo. Hindi naman kayo papalabasin.
Pero,
kung yung teacher nyo masungit.
pero like, di ba sa kapag late enroll ka, may brigada yun, di ba? Tinatawag.
Brigada?
Parang brigada. Parang ikaw yung maglilinis nun sa mga...
Grabe mo.
Ayaw, pagka-uwian.
Kasi hindi ka nag-enroll, mapaparusahan ka?
Oo.
Totoo yun. Tapos kapag late kayo mag-enroll sa concert namin, kayo maglilinis ng mga concert.
Meron, nakita ko yun kasi nung tayo, saan ba tayo nag-show nun? Sinabi ko, ang course, tulungan nyo silang linisin yung confetti, tapos nilinis nga nila.
Ang galing.
Yung confetti.
Oo, ang galing.
Galing sa
Galing talaga yun. Hindi pa. 1 minute.
brigada tawag doon.
1 minute. Let's go.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Gugutom na ako guys, sana kayo ready.
Kain na lang ako dyan. Dahil lang ako
Nagugutom ako guys, sana kayo ready.
Wow, feed na feed.
Get mo naman, Jay.
Super.
Coconut.
Rister, namimiss niyo daw yung pagiging hyper mo.
Ay.
Ayan
na, taas na lang ang energy nun.
Guys, ito na guys, magsisimula na.
Fighting.
Yay!
Ay, paano itong lagyan ng sounds? Tama ba?
We're excited to see.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, yung Horizon Island!
Ano yung todo? 100?
150
yun sa'yo?
Preference lang. May number lang.
Yung lagyan mo. Guys, sa mga nagtatanong ng site dyan, meron dyan. Nilista ng mga anchors.
onair.kbs.co.kr Should be chat in.
Yeah. Nandyan.
And then,
Spin mo na lang, tapos spin mo.
onair.kbs.co.kr
Let's see.
I'm not sure if that's gonna be the working one, but it's kind of like that. If you search a KBS on Google,
Ganda mo na.
pero pwede to sila invite. Sino ba naglalaro dyan?
Guys, sino naglalaro sa inyo ng COD?
wait, are we on the
Abuhay.
right channel? Why is it not? 6:05 though. Why is it not still starting?
Maybe it's delay.
Hindi pa magsisimula yung online class sa November 3 pa. Kaya mag-enroll na kayo guys.
Hindi, walang online ka sa November 3, boy.
Hindi mag-online class tayo. November 3.
F to F yun. Oo, face to face.
Hindi, November 1, di ba November 3 morning?
Okay, tintin lang natin mo din.
Agree to disagree.
Kami dapat mag-live. Sige, mag-live na kayo mga friend.
Wow.
Cook sad.
Face to face ba?
Wait,
Sorry.
Talk English daw.
Ne, ano?
Sorry, I'm lost in translation.
We should
Yeah,
speak
because
English because
I
there's
only
a fan.
use my English skills
Yeah.
during Wednesdays. Sorry, but now
Why?
I will use it on a Saturday because I have radio shows on Wednesdays.
Oh, yeah.
So that's where I release all of my English skills that I have accumulated throughout my life. Wow. How about you? When do you release your English skills?
I think when I was
When I was
I was I think when I was a high schooler,
Oh.
Wow.
What was your strength?
my strength is my...
My muscle.
No, your
Muscle.
senior high strength.
Your
okay, my strength.
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 Oh! 안녕하세요.
My strength is you know Yums.
Wow.
Yung-
Grabe
yung-
ang galing mo,
yung-
mag-games ka.
I mean
잠시만요.
Okay guys,
잠시만요.
over the live. So yeah.
no, I'm a HRM.
HR.
Yeah, HRM student.
Oh. What? Do we have to go?
We can go up kasi may TV sa taas.
Okay, guys. Guys, we'll cut. Oh,
Mawawala yung wifi.
we need to cut it or no? Just continue it.
Kinsa na? We're just gonna elevator.
Yeah, we're gonna go to all day, all guys. That's fine. Just leave it there, then let's go.
Okay, we're still live. We're in here. Parking.
No, we're here.
No, don't
Oh,
show
yeah.
it. Going to
On schedule.
5th floor.
yeah. 진짜 Kyler. 진짜 나옵니다. Voice watching. Nandiyan ka pa rin?
I think. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Wala akong wifi. Ah, bulo.
There's no Wi-Fi.
Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Ay, po. Nandito kami sa ni Depunim. Sa office ni Depunim.
So we're going.
Sit down guys. This is my
Wow, may sopa. Bago yung sopa. Ano to? Muta upuan. Kamsahamnida. Can you get na the box para may stand to?
sit down.
I'll just go here sa box. I'll just go here.
Okay.
Wait, ano na tayo? Paamo nga. And then what's the password?
Yun pa rin.
Okay.
Ito, gano'n. Same lang.
Oh, yeah.
Baka yun pa rin. Oh!
Wow!
Nakuha yung Winston.
We actually didn't see the actual run.
Yeah.
We didn't get to monitor afterwards because he was still busy filming the whole episode. So after we shot our performance, oh, it's the beginning in the survival shows.
Wow!
Oh, he won. Grabe.
Grabe yung
Wow.
nagre-rehearsal sila, no?
Crazy.
Oh, diba?
Diba? We also saw the remote you can vote in. Yeah.
Oh,
nasa
yeah.
likod siya, yung upuan.
We also tried to click it.
Let's read the comments.
Ooh, he's going to perform now!
Yay! Let's go! We go one.
We're watching our immortal songs with Isang Choice on Venue.
Yeah.
Anong pinapanood niyo guys?
Kakasagot.
Yan tayo.
Ayun! Hey!
Wow!
Oh
Oh my God. Sana ngayon.
Momo sa
He always likes to mention that.
Yeah.
Bigaw!
Seriously.
Guys, video phone.
Okay, you.
But still not gonna start, it's later. Okay, go.
Oh, it's Bigaw!
Yeah, it's the first
Yeah.
prod. First, we didn't read this.
I read it. I
Like,
read
no.
it.
Para kung dito mag-video. Gumagalaw yun. Gumagalaw.
Inspired.
Para kang ano dyan
Akio.
Stage mom ka dyan.
Wow!
Uy,
Wow, let's go! Isang Jackson Blackpink.
Gonna watch it.
보고 싶었어. Let's dance.
Go.
Wow.
Wow.
Ooh, fun fact, Tyler and Marcus taught the audience how to dance the
Yeah.
already dance.
Ang galing nga nila, grabe.
So that's why they're dancing along. They taught them beforehand.
Wow, charming.
Oh,
Charas niyo.
oh my gosh, is this where?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's like
Starting now!
Okay, tas inedit out talaga.
Okay, go out!
Hindi mo pala to.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Hindi pa to. Ayun na.
Ayun na.
Ayun na.
Wow!
Let's go,
Let's go,
Ryder!
Levin!
Mommy, I'm in KDS.
Wow! Mami na siya!
Who are these people?
Amba!
Wow.
Whoa, who's that?
Pogi ko yan.
Wow!
Ah, pogi, oh.
Hala. Hala.
Hello. Okay.
두고서
나로 사랑한다고 explain it.
Okay.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Original!
This one we also did sa concert niya.
Yeah.
Eh, kembot naman siya eh.
Let's go, guys! Wow!
Wait, I can't believe I'm in Immortal Songs.
Yeah.
We're in Immortal Songs.
Bigay na yung ano mo.
Tito, yung cellphone mo, tabi yung video.
Hindi na naman.
They're dancing along.
Hey, let's go!
Wait, may pasabog, may pasabog!
Pasabog ka! Ayun na!
May balloons. Wow.
Balloons. Ayan na. Merong mag-aano dito.
Okay, ayan na!
May Olympics mangyari. Ho!
Hey!
Hey!
Spidol!
Hey! Oh, let's go! Wow!
Tahimik lang siya dyan, pero nagtatambling-tambling.
Let's go!
Swing! Hey! Drop it like a swing! Oh!
We also did it with GK from it.
Yeah. Ang galing na mag-rap. Sobrang lakas.
He hyped us up.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Let's go! Hey!
Let's
oh!
go! Hey!
Oh! Oh!
Let's
oh,
go!
Woo!
Yeah!
One take lang yan, guys. Actually, one day lang ata natin pinractice yun.
Oh, yeah.
Gabi lang.
Clutch pre clutch!
Clutch na clutch.
First
Okay.
clutch.
Let's go.
Hey, hey, yeah.
Go walk! It was so cool to watch Pigawa with a dance break and with rap
Ang
lines.
galing, no?
Yeah, we didn't expect it would have that. Compress!
It's rainy day!
Compress na, compress. Wow! Thank you.
So, Charles and Benny, if you're watching this, we're so thankful.
Very thankful.
Yeah.
So grateful for everything.
Thank you so much. He also treat us food afterwards,
Yeah.
right? So thank you so much.
Ayun, grabe.
Yeah, this girl.
That girl.
Grabe yung rehearsal nila, no?
Yeah.
Like, nakatula,
Nakifilm mo
nakifilm
Ano
talaga.
kasi namin meron kasi kaming in-ear while doing the rehearsal.
Oh,
So
yeah.
naririnig namin talaga yung voice nila.
They're so live scene.
Grabe.
Actually, ayan, gusto ko panoorin performance nila. Let's go, let's watch it.
Thank you.
Wow. Grabe, ang galing. Galing.
Let's
Yeah, so good.
Meron bang meron bang
Who's the winner?
napanood? Guys, did you watch it too?
Hala, mukha niya si ano? Si mentor natin.
Mr. Benjo.
Oo.
Wow, siya pala yung nanalo.
Ganda ng patambling mo.
Nice one.
Solid.
Walang stretching yun. Wala vocal warm-up yun, pre.
Walang vocal warm-up, nagtumbling na siya agad, walang vocal warm-up. Hindi siya nag-lip trills. Ganun.
Diretso tumbling, no?
Tumbling
Tumbling agad.
warm-up sa vocal. Wala, unavailable daw for others. Pakita mo yung video mo! Okay, he will show
Go, watch.
Okay guys, papakita sa inyo ni Winston yung ano.
Because some people didn't get to watch it.
I think it's better if you just post it. Medyo nakabili lang ng camera guys ha. Sorry pa sa tito namin.
Sorry.
Yung tito pa kasi namin.
Pakita mo yung special video.
Hintayin nyo ang dance break ng Pigawa, guys.
May balloons.
Merong mag-aano dito eh. May Olympics mag-aano.
Ayan na! Dance break. Hey! Hey!
Oh, let's go! Wow!
Oh!
Tahimik lang siya yan, pero nagtatambling-tambling. Let's go!
Jumping like a snake!
Hey! Hey!
We also did it with GK.
That's our debut on Immortal Song.
Galing na mag-rap. Sobrang lakas.
He hyped us up. Hey!
Hey, let's go! Hey! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Let's go! Yeah!
One take lang yan guys.
Oh, malapit na yan matapos.
Clutch, break, clutch! Clutch, break! Let's go! It was so cool to watch
Naririnig nyo?
Pigawa with a dance break and with rap.
Malapit na.
Yeah, we didn't expect it would have that.
And wow!
Thank you so much for watching with us.
Oh, ang galing. Ang galing natin sumayaw.
So yun guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to secure your tickets sa Angkor High. And yeah, support Marcus as Max in IZX.
IZX.
And see you sa November 3.
Yeah. November 3.
Marami pang oras kayo mag-enroll na kayo.
Guys, huwag niyo kakalimutan yung mga baon niyo pag pumasok kayo ng school.
Mag-dinner na kami.
Yeah.
So,
Bye.
see you later.
Bye-bye.
Thank you guys. We love you. Watch it later, the Immortal Songs with Isang Choice of Benin and GK of Benin.
Yeah.
Let's go. Watch it later, bro.
Watch it later.
Bye.
What's that? Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.